Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and immediately opening the Google sign-in flow. Enter the exact Google account email. Once typed, tap Forgot Password if blocked. You will be asked for last known password or device verification. If prompted for device verification, follow on-screen prompts to receive a code via your phone or secondary email. Make sure the phone has signal and notifications allowed. This first action narrows recovery paths and prevents wasted steps. Now you execute the core verification. Choose Google Prompt or request a text code. If unavailable, use backup codes saved earlier. If those fail, select Try Another Way and complete the account recovery form. Provide exact account creation month/year, frequently emailed contacts, and labels used in Gmail. Once done, submit a recent photo ID if requested, only when prompted. These details help Google match you to account records and increase approval odds. Complete the process by setting a strong new password and re-enabling two-step verification. Use an authenticator app for stronger security. Once you regain access, review recovery phone and email fields and remove unknown devices. If Google denies the request, wait 48 to 72 hours before resubmitting the recovery form with any new details you can recall. This cooling period may allow backend propagation. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try the recovery from a device you frequently use to sign in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.